Hello everyone, I am Dhruva B and I am an application engineer for VISI Software. So in this video, I would like to let you know the overview of the software. So let's get into the video. Designing a component is just a beginning. The real challenges begins after that, when you need to create a mold, a press tool, or any manufacturable product. So it takes a lot of time. So what if you get all these three in one platform? That is VC. This will help to connect all stages in one software. So let's get into the video. Well, what is VC? VC is a specialized CAD software which is designed for industries where critical shape components have been manufactured and it has been maintained a critical workflow. So in VC, there are many modules: VC CAD, VC Progressive, VC Mould, VC Reverse, Strip Layout, and etc. So let's get deep into the modules. So let's begin with VC CAD. VC CAD, where engineers can create and modify 3D models by using solid and surface modeling commands. So, after creating the 3D models, VC helps you to get into the manufacturing workflow like core cavity extractions, inserts, and electrodes. And few of the other tooling elements can be developed directly in the components. That is VC CAD. So, the next module is VC Progress. Starting with the component, the engineer can develop ship layout very easily, moreover, in one single click. So in this, you can specialize many operations like cutting, forming, bending, piercing, etc. And you can create HTML report very easily. And moreover, this helps a lot for the manufacturers to understand the workflow clearly. So the next module is VC Mold. For a plastic components, VC will provide a complete mold design workflow. Starting from the product geometry, engineers can develop a partial core cavity extraction, developing inserts, and a complete assembly of a mold. This helps you to maintain the design intent of the product concept to manufacturing. So the upcoming module is VC Reverse. VC Reverse is nothing but enabling scan physical product data into accurate editable CAD modeling. And this is very much helpful while carrying the legacy components. This is most probably used in automotive, aerospace, and some prosthetics and all. Because they'll be having a structured component or a structured products where we can't be redesigned that. So on this time, VC Reverse will be very helpful and it will give the scanning data almost in the accurate stage, and it's editable too. This video is just a overview of the software, and in the upcoming videos we'll show you the detailed working on each modules. So for more video like this, like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.